Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn top 11 cancer-fighting, risk-reducing foods. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. No single food can protect you against cancer by itself. But research shows that a diet filled with a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and other plant foods helps lower risk for many cancers. In laboratory studies, many individual minerals, vitamins, and phytochemicals demonstrate anti-cancer effects. Here are top cancer-fighting, risk-reducing foods. Number 1. Apples. Apples provide dietary fiber and polyphenol compounds that partner with gut microbes to create an environment that may help to reduce the risk of cancer. Observational population studies link apples with a lower risk of the estrogen receptor negative, ER form of breast cancer. Number 2. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables. The link between cruciferous vegetables and cancer prevention is relatively well studied. Lab studies showed several ways that sulforaphane, formed from glucosinolates in broccoli, could thwart the development and progression of prostate cancer. Limited human intervention trials support this potential. However, population studies that followed men for 9 to 22 years showed no link with total, or any form, of prostate cancer so far. Number 3. Carrots. Carrots' cancer-fighting potential comes from being a non-starchy vegetable as well as a source of carotenoids and other phytochemicals. Beta-carotene is the carotenoid that has received the most attention, but research into carrots' other compounds, and carrots as a whole food, is underway. Number 4. Cherries. Cherries are among foods highest in melatonin, which shows cancer-preventive potential in laboratory studies. Limited human research on cherries as a source of melatonin has investigated the potential to improve sleep, but little is known about whether eating melatonin-rich cherries contributes to cancer prevention. Number 5. Walnuts. All nuts support a health-promoting diet, but they differ in the nutrients and plant compounds they provide. Walnuts are unique in several ways and have been studied more extensively than other nuts regarding cancer prevention. Emerging research shows potential for walnuts to contribute to a cancer-preventive diet through several compounds possibly working together. Elagitannins, melatonin, and gamma-tocopherol may each work through different paths to reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and gene expression that can lead to cancer. Number 6. Dry beans, peas, and lentils. Dietary fiber, resistant starch, and phenolic compounds in pulses all may support the growth of health-promoting gut bacteria, the microbiome. More research is needed to understand how individual differences, and different forms of these compounds, contribute to protection against cancer. Number 7. Cranberries. Cranberries provide a modest amount of vitamin C, but the main source of cranberries' potential for cancer prevention comes from their package of phenolic compounds. These include polyphenols, found in most berries, as well as a relatively unique type of proanthocyanidin. Because many of these compounds are complex molecules broken down by gut microbes, there is potential for broad effects on the gut microbiota and inflammation. Individual differences in gut microbes could mean that people differ in cancer protection from cranberries. Number 8. Coffee. Headlines based on individual studies swing from portraying coffee as a source of protective antioxidants to suggestions that coffee poses a cancer risk. However, research shows that drinking coffee reduces the risk of endometrial and liver cancer. Number 9. Spinach. Carotenoids like those in spinach curb cancer development in laboratory studies, but it's not clear whether their protection against breast cancer really is unique to ER-negative, ER tumors. Hormonal influences may simply mask protection against ER+ tumors. Number 10. Garlic. Laboratory research shows that allium compounds in garlic offer anti-cancer activity, but support for garlic lowering cancer risk is lacking in human studies. More research is needed to understand how garlic's role in cancer risk might vary based on the amount, absorption, preparation methods, and individual differences. Number 11. Grapes. Research is investigating effects of proanthocyanidin compounds from grape seeds and skins. Laboratory studies suggest that they, or compounds gut microbes produce from them, may influence expression of genes related to cancer development. Much work is needed to understand whether this has practical applications in eating habits to reduce cancer risk. Is there such a thing as a cancer-fighting food? Can certain foods prevent cancer? Unfortunately, the answer is no. There is no food that can stop cancer in its tracks or bring your risk of developing cancer to zero. Eating healthy food can reduce your risk, but it won't eliminate it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health Tips.